ESB, Enterprise Service Bus, and JMS, Java Message Service, are both important concepts in enterprise integration, but they serve different purposes and operate at different levels. ESB, Enterprise Service Bus. Function. An ESB acts as a central integration platform that facilitates communication and data exchange between various applications and services within your IT infrastructure. It provides a unified way to connect disparate systems and manage integration flows. Scope. ESB operates at a higher level, offering a broader architectural approach to integration. It provides tools for service registry, discovering and registering services within the enterprise. Routing and transformation, routing messages to appropriate destinations and transforming data between different formats to ensure compatibility. Security, enforcing security policies like access control and message encryption. Error handling, implementing mechanisms to handle errors and exceptions during message processing. Monitoring and management, providing tools for monitoring integration flows, performance metrics, and potential issues. Benefits. Improved integration efficiency, streamlines communication between diverse systems. Reusability and maintainability, promotes development of reusable integration components and simplifies flow management. Reduced development time, offers pre-built connectors and tools for faster integration development. Scalability, supports handling increasing integration demands within your enterprise. JMS, Java Message Service. Function. JMS is a messaging protocol specifically designed for asynchronous communication between applications. It defines a set of APIs for sending, receiving, and managing messages through messaging providers, e.g., ActiveMQ, RabbitMQ. Scope. JMS operates at a lower level, focusing on the reliable exchange of messages between applications. It provides features for message queues, storing messages in queues for asynchronous delivery, ensuring messages are received even if the receiver is unavailable. Topics, publishing messages to topics where multiple subscribers can receive them, enabling one-to-many communication. Durable and persistent messages, guaranteeing message delivery even in case of system failures, depending on configuration. Benefits. Asynchronous communication, **** decouples applications for improved performance and scalability. Reliable message delivery, **** ensures messages are delivered even in case of temporary outages. Flexibility, **** supports various messaging patterns, queues, topics, for different integration needs. Analogy. Think of ESB as a central transportation hub in a city. It manages different transportation modes, services, determines the best route, message routing, and ensures goods, data, are delivered efficiently, reliable communication. JMS, on the other hand, is like the individual delivery trucks, messaging providers, within the transportation network. They handle the actual movement of goods, messages, between locations, applications. In essence, ESB provides a comprehensive framework for managing application integration, while JMS focuses on the reliable exchange of messages using asynchronous communication patterns. JMS can be considered a building block that ESB can leverage to implement message-based communication within its integration flows. Many ESB platforms offer built-in connectors or adapters for interacting with JMS providers.